VeChain is one of the foremost supply chain-focused blockchain projects currently out there. Started in 2015, it is focused on business applications, primarily in the logistics field through supply chain management that provides tracking, quality control, inventory management, and much more. The primary driving force behind the adoption of VeChain and the VET token is the VeChain Foundation, an organization founded in Singapore which governs and maintains the project, its development, and promotion. The foundation is governed by the steering committee, which is elected every 2 years and is currently represented by the project founders. VeChain runs on a proof of authority (POA) consensus model that requires nodes to be authorized before they can participate in blockchain consensus. Once a node becomes authorized, it joins the pool of other authorized nodes and each has an equal chance of publishing new blocks and receiving rewards. Under this system, the rich nodes have no advantages, and there is no requirement for nodes to compete with one another and use vast amounts of resources. The POA system also features efficient bandwidth usage, which leads to higher throughput for the network. This equates to a greater number of transactions per second and increases the scalability of the network. The current and latest version of Proof of Authenticity POA 2.0 will give the network the stability and security needed to support the growing number of business use cases on-chain. It delivers absolute finality and safety guarantee on blocks and transactions, significant reduction of the platform's risk of being temporarily disrupted, which results in better stability of blockchain service, and a faster converging probabilistic finality, which results in faster transaction confirmation for applications. VIP 193, which is also known as Surface, is done to improve the scalability of the VeChain network while also speeding transaction confirmations. VIP 200 makes it possible for the VeChain distributed ledger to reach Byzantine fault tolerance finality by allowing blocks to carry extra finality-related messages. This improved POA implementation will give VeChain all the strong points found in POW blockchains, while also makes the blockchain more robust thanks to a Byzantine fault tolerance BFT mechanism. Based on countless discussions with senior management and innovation heads of enterprise clients, VeChain identified an array of key focus areas from business owners when it came to their products. Responsible manufacturing, supply chain oversight, real-time asset flows, sustainability, and even the unique story of a product are attributes they sought to share, enabling enhanced brand engagement and novel ways to monetize data. VeChain ToolChain facilitates this transparency, granting overarching insight of a product's legacy data, creating new ways to generate value for both consumers, brands, and supply chain participants alike. With data securely and immutably stored on VeChain ToolChain, trusted third-party service providers are able to further utilize these data, creating novel services and products in new and collaborative ways. To meet the diverse demands of the market, the VeChain ToolChain solution is currently available in 3 versions: Standard version, Developer version, and a Channel Partner version. Enterprises are going to be the main driving force that pushes for the mass adoption of NFT, and the best way is to work closely with them to co-develop a vibrant enterprise NFT ecosystem on the VeChain Thor blockchain. Moreover, the VeChain ToolChain has already laid a solid foundation for enabling eNFT applications. Specifically, it contains a module that implements the VIP 181, an NFT standard proposed by the developer team, and provides enterprise-level APIs for various NFT-related functions. This NFT module becomes even more powerful when combined with its advanced IoT solutions. It enables enterprises to easily attach an NFT to a chip-embedded physical item that can be registered on and verified by VeChain Thor blockchain. Adopting NFTs has never been easier with VeChain ToolChain. All of this in turn making VeChain Thor the best choice for eNFT development. VeChain has also updated its governance model in order to meet the needs of large enterprises, regulators, and government while maintaining its ability to scale, giving it a flexible governance model that will allow for rapid changes when needed. In addition, VeChain also introduced the VeVote platform as a way to increase governance transparency. The VeVote platform provides an immutable, transparent, and decentralized platform for stakeholders to cast their votes on important decisions based on their voting authority. The voting is done via VeVote smart contracts, and the results are recorded on the VeChain Thor blockchain. VeChain also hopes to change everything with the introduction of the Sync 2 digital wallet app. The Sync 2, which was released in its alpha version in January 2021, provides the missing pieces of critical infrastructure in enabling the true mass adoption of dApp technology. It is the missing jigsaw piece that enables a truly seamless dApp experience, paving the way for the mass adoption of decentralized applications by removing all barriers to entry. A first for the entire blockchain industry. VeChain recognizes the importance of having an established business and client base, and with that in mind has been very active in creating partnerships. Through the end of the second quarter of 2019, there are no less than 31 partners which VeChain is working on pilots with, any of which could lead to a breakthrough and wider adoption of the blockchain. And they continue adding new partnerships. Onboarding of new partners and clients is handled quite smoothly by VeChain since they operate on a blockchain-as-a-service model and set up all the infrastructure for clients, including any necessary customization. It's this model that has allowed VeChain to partner with such a broad and diverse group of industries. The partnership with PwC has given VeChain access to many companies across China and Southeast Asia and has been valuable in spreading the word about VeChain. With LVMH, VeChain is developing a system that tracks limited edition luxury goods. Pirating of these types of products is widespread, especially in China and Southeast Asia. With LVMH's broad offerings of luxury goods, this is a perfect partnership. VeChain has also been working with DNVGL to increase the transparency of products from the factory or farm to the consumer. In this partnership, VeChain has developed a blockchain-powered digital assurance solution they've called Mystery. Using this dApp, consumers are able to learn about the story behind a bottle of wine from the vineyard, to the bottler, through distribution, and to their store's shelves. All this is accomplished by simply scanning a QR code on the wine bottle. Another valuable partnership is the one with Chinese automaker BID, where VeChain has been working on a proof of concept for handling carbon emission imbalances. This partnership is working on building a dApp that will track and record the emissions data of millions of cars, buses, trains, and other vehicles onto the public VeChain blockchain. Most recently, VeChain has been active in adding hospitals and tracking infection risk management in connection with the COVID-19 pandemic. VeChain is the type of blockchain which uses a dual token economic model in order to avoid the cost of transactions increasing when the value of the token rises. In the case of VeChain, there is a VET token used for speculation on exchanges and governance of the blockchain. The VET token is also used for staking and the generation of VeVote tokens, which are used to pay for network transactions. Both tokens are drastically different in terms of the function they serve, total supply, and inflation. By using a dual token model such as this, the network fees are kept separate from the potential volatility in the price of the VET token, which in turn make the blockchain more suitable for business and enterprise uses. Users who choose to hold VET in a wallet will generate VeVote slowly over time, which enables them to make transactions for free in essence. Besides generating small amounts of VeVote, it is possible to generate much larger amounts by running nodes to help support the network. Ultimately, everything talked about throughout this video ties together, making VeChain the best public blockchain platform for both enterprise adoption and developers looking to build their projects and dApps.